So today I'll be showing you how to add background blur to any photo on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So let's go to your gallery and open up any photo. For me, I'm gonna use this one. So this photo, in fact, was not even taken on this Pixel. It was taken by an iPhone, but I'm gonna apply background blur to it using the Pixel. So what you need to do is simply tap on edit. And then once you tap on edit, you wanna go to actions, and then under actions, look for the blur or the portrait blur option. Tap on it. It's going to take a minute or a couple of seconds to analyze the photo, and then it'll give you the option to add background blur. All right, so you can remove all the blur by going this way, and to increase blur, just use this slider, and depending on how much blur you want, you can go and you can even go a bit crazy and just blur everything like that, or you can just turn it down a bit and just give it a slight blur in the background, just like that. Okay, and then once you're happy with it, you can tap on the check mark, and then you can choose to save a copy instead of overwriting the original image, and you should have this as the original image, and you can see this one has a slight blur. Right, thanks for watching and good luck.